Bro, my mouth is on fire. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a review slash first impressions slash makeup tutorial on the bPERFECT Cosmetics Carnival Extra Large Pro Palette. Give me a second. My mouth is literally on fire. I am eating these little tostitos. They're the extra flaming hot. My mom brought them for me from Mexico, and they are so spicy. My mouth is like literally on fire. Anyway, this is actually a collaboration with Stacey Marie. She's a makeup artist on Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, where are you? She is one of the most talented makeup artists I've ever came across. She does like classes in the UK, and she teaches people how to do their makeup. And honestly, when I saw this palette, like, I just knew I had to get my hands on it. So I think this is the first time that I've ever tried any like UK brands, and it just looks amazing. Like, all the colors here look so vibrant, so rich, so creamy. I've swatched a few of them, like this one and I think the highlighters, but honestly I haven't played with this since I got it, and I've had it on my hands for at least like 2, maybe 3 weeks. So we're going to be putting this to the test today. I really want to test this out with you guys and see how well it performs. Is it good? Is it not good? I have no idea what makeup look I'm going for, but I'm kind of like intrigued by this like warm, cool tone section. So we're going to see what we come up with today. If you guys want to get ready with me, if you guys want to do your makeup with me, grab your hot Cheetos, grab your Tostitos, put a little limon on it, and let's do makeup. Priming my lids using my P. Louise base. I am like so low on this. Such a good primer. And I'm just going to make sure that that is in place. Okay, base is set, and I don't know what you guys is going on with my skin. Like, if you are a regular to my channel, you know that I generally have pretty good skin. I don't know if it's this baby that is like giving me all these like hormonal breakouts or what, but I got these 2 new breakouts here. You guys know that I had a volcano on my face the other day, or it could be this new like cream that I was trying out. I don't know. I'm not gonna use it for like the rest of the week to see if she is a culprit of these breakouts. Okay guys, so obviously we have so many colors to work with, like so many beautiful colors. But here's the thing, I am a little bit on a time crunch. As you guys know, my mom, or if you guys don't know, my mom is here from Mexico. She got here Saturday, and we're gonna have like a little family reunion. We're all just getting together, doing some carne asada. I can't wait. So I need to hurry and get ready. So with that said, I think I really do want to stick with, I don't know, like, look at this color, Reckless. That just looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, all of these are just stunning. This eyeshadow palette contains 40 shades, and it is a mix of mattes and some like shimmers. I would consider them to be like almost like pressed pigments. They're so creamy and buttery. And then you also get 3 highlighters. So like I mentioned, this is a product from the UK, so it does take a little bit of time for it to get to you. But I mean, it seems like it's going to be totally worth the wait. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I am going to take the shade Pillow Talk, which is this one right here. This is a super gorgeous like off cream, and it does have a huge little mirror. So I think I'm actually just going to use this, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I am going to lay this down here. Ooh, that is pretty. Just going to lay this on the brow bone. This is going to help us blend the eyeshadows that we are going to be laying down next. I am going to pick up this shade. Oh, I don't know what I want to do. Like, you know what? I think I want to go with like, no, I'm going to keep it warm because, I mean, like, we're going to have a family reunion. I'm not trying to have crazy eyeshadow. I'm going to take the shade Basic, which is this one right here, and we're just going to throw that as the first transitional shade. So we're going to place that. Okay. That is so much pigment. Don't worry, this eyeshadow, the white one, is going to look a little bit better once we lay down the rest of the colors. Holy crap, you guys, that is so pigmented. I really didn't think, I mean, I knew that this was going to be pigmented, but I wasn't anticipating this. Holy cannoli. I'm going to take a fluffier brush and I'm just going to blend. That is such a beautiful shade as well. Like, if you're my skin tone, this is a perfect transitional color for you. Cute. Next shade I am taking is Slow Burn, which is this, oh my god, this like gorgeous deep terracotta. It's like a burnt terracotta color. And I'm just going to use the same brush that I used because they're in the same like color family. So we're just going to throw that into the crease. And we're just going to make this nice and warm. Like, this is giving me fall vibes. And I am here for it because I am ready for fall. That's the one thing that I love. Well, there's actually many things that I love about living in Utah. But fall here is so gorgeous, you guys. Oh my god, because we have so much greenery. The trees turn the most beautiful red, burnt, orange, mustard, neon green. Oh my god, fall here is absolutely stunning. Like, if you guys ever get the chance to come to Utah during the fall, come. You will not regret it. This would actually look so beautiful as like just a one eyeshadow look. Oh my god, that would be so pretty because it's such a pretty color. I'm trying to decide what color I want to throw into the crease next. I think I'm just gonna stick with like this whole row, you guys, and then definitely we can visit this palette back and like add more. But I'm just going, excuse me, I'm gonna take the shade Hall and Intuition. I'm just going to mix them both, and we're just gonna like literally blend that into the crease because why not? I really like how creamy and blendable these eyeshadows are. They are just so rich in pigments. Oh my god, the best $60 I've ever spent on an eyeshadow palette, that is. I'm gonna go back to my brush, the one that I use for slow burn. And I don't have anything on it. I'm just literally using it to help me blend Hall and Intuition together. I really like how this looks so far, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with my concealer, just any concealer you have. I'm using the Juvia's Place number 18. This is a really good like thick concealer, so just do the cut crease however you normally do. I think I kind of want to like wing it out today a little bit. We'll see. For all over the lid, I'm just going to take the shade Splendor, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. That one, I've already wet my brush and I'm just going to take it all over the lid. And then I'm just going to go back and pretty much redo the same things on the outside just to make everything look nice and blended. Since the look is complete, I'm going to pop on some lashes. I am taking the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker 3D curled multi-dimensional lashes in the lash style 662, which are these. Super cute, fluffy, long, and like wispy, but a little bit dramatic, just like me. So I'm going to pop these on and I'll be back in just one moment. And that is the end of this makeup look. If you guys are wondering what I wore on my lips, this has been like my new go-to lip liner. This is the Italia Hot Cocoa lip liner. And then I added the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Honey. I also threw in the Waterline, the ColourPop. It's a brown eyeliner. I don't remember, but I will have it listed down below. What are my thoughts on the bPERFECT Cosmetics Carnival Extra Large Pro Palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie? Honestly, I was shook. I am obsessed with this look. It is so pretty. It is so warm, so like fall appropriate, and I am just living for it. I am definitely going to play around with this palette so much more with the blues, the purples, the pinks, the greens. Like there's so many possibilities with this palette, and it's one of those palettes that it can definitely be your go-to because you have no neutrals and then you have your pops of color and then you also have your highlighters. So with that said, you guys, I am sold on this. If you guys are interested in this product, I will have it listed down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial slash review, and I am going to go and eat because I am hungry, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Bye.